kids. So they use this to care their product.
Guys, tingnan nyo. Ay, ships! Guys, last day na namin dito. Nakakalungkot. Bale, nagla-lunch lang kami kasi it's 12:32 na. Tapos, pick upin kami ng van para sa city tour namin dito sa Puerto ng 1:30. Kaya dito na kami malapit sa hotel na pinagstayan namin.
Puerto Princesa is the second largest city in the entire Philippines.
That's the pride of Palawan. Palawan Peacock Pheasant, we call them Tandikan here. The blue on the left side, that one is male, called Peacock. And that's the Peacock, sir ma'am, on our blue 100 pesos bill. So they are native peacock, that is why they are small. You can only see them here in Palawan, sir ma'am. Lastly po, the male peacock, the blue one.
So guys, nandito na kami sa Butterfly Garden. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung mga kasama namin sa tour. Tapos ito yung view. Okay guys, papunta naman tayo sa tribal village. Tignan nyo guys, may crocodile. Asan? Ayan guys, paano kung nakain ako niyan?
Tribal village, ma'am sir, it is the second part of your tour, and here we will be having a 10 to 15 minutes culture sharing with the tribe. Kids, so they use this to care their product, particularly that bag thing. If it have head strap or head support to carry even more weight, because moms are and they carved, then on top they covered animal skin or a cow skin. The bigger metal at the back they called gong or agong. Better sana kapag marami. Now, let's watch how to shoot animals, ma'am sir. Look at their paw at the drawing pig. Okay. It's proof that Philippines have barter trade with other country long time ago. Kaya po may mga metal sila. And after that, if the smoke was visible, they transfer it on a dry leaves, or smoke of that they can drive away a bad spirit or bad luck. They can cure illnesses like stomach ache, headache, and insect repellent. And later po, I will
Ako dito po muna, ma'am. Ako po.
Wow, ang cute! Para lang siya yung sa Lion King. So guys, ito yung bearded pig. Hello, little one! Cute! Butterbrush. Hello!
Awi, itlog. Nanganak siya. Saan yung
Oh no, may mga hindi nakikita. Ayan, may eggs, guys. Hello! Guys, tignan nyo, scorpions. Wow. Oo, open eh. Look. Guys, nagpapapicture sila, naiiyak talaga.
Pwede nga ba? Babalik sila. Oo nga eh.
Ay, sige.
What's your name?
My name is Chidi.
What's your
My
name?
name is Miri.
Okay, say hi to my vlog. Bye, thank you. Wow. Guys, look. Can I try? Grabe. Oh no. Ah, tanggalin mo na. Wow. Hi. Anong name niya, kuya?
Jaime po.
Aimee? Hi, Aimee! Guys, nandito kami sa Mitros Ranch. Tapos may mga activities sila. Ayan, ang daming tao, oh. May giant slide. Ito pala yung mga price range nila. Post nyo na lang para makita nyo. Tapos ang maganda dito, guys, tumatanggap sila ng card. Kaya okay na okay. Ato, may friends! So guys, kailangan ng ribbon para makita nila kung nagbayad ka o hindi.
Ano lang yun para malaman nila kung anong activities.
Okay. Para malaman pala kung anong activities. Ayan, si Bali at saka si Rick mo. Nauna sila. Guys, super nag-enjoy kami doon sa giant slide. Ano kayang next adventure namin? Muntikan na kami mahulog. Akala namin tatalsik kami, buti na lang hindi. Kami pong magkakaibigan, ang gusto po namin yung buwis buhay. So guys, yung mga nauuna, yung mga takot pa sa heights. Ay! Uy! Gumigewang tayo! Hindi balance! Guys, tignan nyo. Ay, shims! Wait! Magzi-zipline na kami. Si Bali una. Ayan. Go, Bal. Ako din na. Landscape lang. Straight, ganito. Ay! Wala pa nga eh. Okay.
Ma'am, mister ka na ba niyo, ma'am?
Shit! Aray, sakit sa... Hindi naman pala! Aray! Sakit! Aray! So guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa activity namin today. Kasi kami super nag-enjoy and napagod. So guys, ito binili namin, hinord namin.
Tanong mo kung pwede doon na lang yan.
Ang mura lang, kasi ang dami pwedeng mapili.
Pumunta doon sa Iwahig. Lumangoy sa dagat, sugatan yung iba, kinagat pa ng pating yung isa. So yun, dito po yun sila kinulong. Lahat ng mga ibang mga prisoner galing sa Luzon, galing sa Bilibid Prison, nilagay nila dito, yung 150 prisoner.
So guys, uuwi na kami. Nakakalungkot. Tignan nyo guys yung pila. Buti lang maaga kami. Ang dami na din pa uwi. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog ko. Okay guys, it's time to go home. Bal! Bal! Bye! Totoo na, pauwi na talaga kami na sa airplane na. Gusto pa namin mag-extend. Sana na-cancel yung flight. Char!
With a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by...
Kababa lang namin ng airplane. Time check 11:47. Grabe na delayed kasi yung flight namin. Hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. So magdi-dinner muna kami. And si Bali, hintay namin sila Andrea eh. Kasi nasa dulo yung seat nila. So guys, nakauwi na kami. Anong oras na din? Super late na dahil nga na-delayed yung flight namin. So sana nag-enjoy kayo guys. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!